Hey, it's Trevor here. Hope you are very, very well. It's actually a really gorgeous day here in the UK today. It's been sunny. It's been lovely. Been an eventful day. Tried to sell one of our cars. We've currently got 4 cars. Not to show off. We've got. I've got a truck, a kind of big truck with a back that we use for ferrying the bees backwards and forwards because we're beekeepers and my wife and the bees produce a lot of honey, etc. And my son recently passed his test, so he's got a little car, and we already had a nice Lexus hybrid, and then I bought my wife a new Range Rover Evoque just before the lockdown, as your luck. So that's not, it's a gorgeous car, it really is. But so as a result, we've got like 4 cars sitting outside. The strange thing is they're all black, so you can tell which color of car we like. Anyway, these guys came, they drove 3 hours today, and when we told them that they couldn't take it for a test drive without insurance, they decided that instantly they didn't want the car. So I don't know if there was something fishy going on there, but who knows. Anyway, what have I got for you? Just before we kick off today, a quick tip from my 1001 uses of vinegar. And this is, do you ever get those fruit flies? You know, I don't know, if in the kitchen you might have a fruit bowl. You might have some satsumas, clementines, lemons, limes, bananas, that sort of thing. Apples, you know. And you get these little fruit flies flying about. You think, where do they all come from? And they can really get on your nerves. Well, I just found out that you can get rid of them using vinegar. But unfortunately, I've got to say, I'm not really sure that the first way that they describe it, I like it. Because it basically tells you that you need to attract them by, it says, put a bowl of cider vinegar out to attract the fruit flies. The same can be achieved by washing the windows with cider vinegar, but that's probably not the effect you want. If this just attracts the flies but doesn't kill them, put 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of cider vinegar and several drops of washing up liquid into a small shallow plastic container. Fill up with water. The flies are attracted to the vinegar, but the soap kills them. Oh. I don't know. I don't want to kill them. I just don't want them in my kitchen. It says, alternatively, take a small bowl and partially fill it with vinegar, then wrap it in cling film, poke a few pinholes in the plastic wrap, and the fruit flies will fly in but can't get out. Now, I prefer that idea because they can fly in and then I can take them out to the garden, I can lift it off, they can all fly away, and everybody's happy. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed that. Now, moving on quickly. I have got a review for you today. This is a really lovely product. It's from Glenkoski, and I've got to say, I know I think there's one person on my list who said that they didn't like Glen's products and probably had a bad experience in the past. So apologies to you if that is you. You know who I'm talking about. Like a man in a suit, like him to have a shave. Apart from that, the rest of the tens of thousands of people on my list seem to be okay, so that's all good. And I can assure you this is a good quality product, and I've, as always, gone through it very thoroughly and tested it for you to make sure that it's all working. And Glen is producing some really good quality products these days, so I've got no problems in recommending these. Now, I've got a quick presentation here just so that I can go through it as quickly as I can for you without wasting your time. So we're going to move now over to my presentation, and I've got some lovely, lovely bonuses for you. So please stay for that, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and wash your hands and protect your face and stay away from people. Okay, so let's go over to the presentation. So the product is Big Ticket Commissions. My name is Trevor Carr, as you may already have realised. Now, before I start, can you subscribe to my YouTube channel, please? I'm trying to get to 3,000 and I'm nearly there. I know some of you did on the last one. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. And please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below if you're excited about the concept of earning big commissions, because high ticket commissions are the best. I've got to tell you that. When they come in, like I can do a promo for a cheap product and I'll get, you know, $8 come in and $9 come in and $7 come in and $8 come in, and then I can all of a sudden get $468 like that, and I'm like, yes, come on, that's what I'm talking about. So that's why this is so attractive, and that's why I wanted to bring this to your attention, and also I wanted to tempt you with my bonuses to make sure that you grabbed it. So if you are bonus hunting, you know, by all means have a look around, see what else is out there, but I don't think you're going to find anything that's going to beat my bonuses for you. There's some kind of a jet taking off, or is that just a plane? We live quite near the airport, but with lockdown there have been no planes, so I don't know if you can hear that, but there was a a fighter jet earlier on, so it could be that. Anyway, moving on. Right, so what is big ticket commissions? Well, it enables you to create affiliate marketing campaigns for big ticket products. Okay, so this could be anything that earns, I don't know, $500 to $1,000 per sale. And there are two ways that you can do it with big ticket commissions. You can do it with their done for you funnels, or you can even do your own completely from scratch, right? So it is very, very powerful. These are the offers that you get in there done for you. So you've got John Crestani's super affiliate system. I've made thousands from that personally. You've got Brendan Mace's Project Profit Academy. I've made thousands and thousands from that personally. You've got the passive income system, and you've got Simple Wi-Fi Profits. Simple Wi-Fi Profits is a ClickBank offer, no approval needed, but you're pre-guaranteed approval for all of these, which is one of the big bonuses here as well. This is an example of the kind of commissions that you can earn. This is Simple Wi-Fi Profits, top converting webinar offer, pays out about $425 per sale. All right, which is pretty impressive. It's got autoresponder integration in the system, so you can build your list as you earn. You can use raw HTML, so you can literally use any autoresponder at all, but it's also set up to go with Aweber, GetResponse, Mailchimp, ConvertKit, and all the rest of the big boys. So this is an example of the kind of squeeze page that you get, and what this is doing is this is grabbing someone's email address before you send them onto the webinar where you're going to make your money. All right. To set all this up yourself would be tricky, but this is all done for you. Very, very simple, and that's why I like it. It's all ready to go. Then you've got traffic. You can generate traffic using all of these. You just literally click on these to share through to all the different social networks and generate traffic, or use your own preferred traffic method, which could be, you know, many ways of doing it. Now, you can create your own bespoke campaigns too, so you can promote any products that you want using this. So it can be used as a kind of a page builder as well. Now, I'm going to give you some more information on the product so that you know what you're doing. It's easy to scale. Start with one of the premium done-for-you offers included, then add other high-ticket offers when you're ready. Big ticket commission changes the game, as I said, right? This system uses something called straight-line marketing. It builds your list while making you commissions without sending an email, without even sending an email. Then the software builds you 2 pages that combine for sky-high conversions. Your done-for-you lead generation page offers both a free giveaway and a free training session, and it's all included for you, which appeals to a much wider audience so you can 2x your leads. Your done for you sales page features a free training webinar, so visitors get what they want. Then it goes into a pitch for the premium offer, and subscribers only get their free product details after they've seen the pitch of the offer. All right, so there's an incentive for them to hang around to make sure they get their freebie, and then therefore there's much more chance that you're going to get that sale. Everything happens automatically without lifting a finger. New subscribers are added to your list and taken straight to the done for you sales page. So this cutting edge system gives you more leads and a constantly growing list without any product creation, higher quality subscribers. You add a huge percentage of high ticket buyers to your list for even more long-term profits, and instant commissions. No more waiting for results, because now you can get paid as you build your list. Additional key points are it's cloud-based. I love cloud-based, I've got to say. If you've got to download it these days, it just doesn't work for me. Instantly creates both your lead generation and money pages. Done for you premium products. You're pre-approved for multiple evergreen high ticket offers proven to convert that make $1,000 plus per sale. Done for you funnels included. Create your own high ticket funnel pages for any offer, or use the included done for you pages. Premium hosting included. High ticket pages hosted on our server, so you don't need a domain name, you don't need hosting, which again is great because it means you can get cracking with this immediately. So let's go and take a look inside the members area now. Okay, so here we are inside the members area. We've got the usual kind of setup here. We've got the links on the left and a welcome video, you know, etc. Autoresponder integration here. Probably not much for you to see apart from the ones that you can interact with. And then you've got new campaigns. This is where your campaigns that have been done are stored. So if we click on this opt-in page, for example, show you some examples here. So here we have, this is just a demo of an opt-in page that hasn't been completed yet. Let's see, Glyn webinar, see if that one's been completed. So yeah, so as you can see, you know, these are really nice looking opt-in pages, and you're getting the subscribers. So you're building your list as you earn. Then we've got the webinar page URL. Let's take a look at that one. Okay, well, someone's put a video in there, but it's not, the video's not working. Try another one, but you get the idea. No, okay. I mean, obviously, all you got to do is put a video in there that isn't private, and it's going to work. There we go. There's one there. as an example. All right, so then down here, this is what you want, the done for you funnels. This is where those funnels are that we talked about. And hold on, if I go to, sorry, affiliate info is what I meant to click on. Go to affiliate info, and that's where you'll see those ones that I showed you the screenshot of. And then you go and get your affiliate link, and then you just plug everything into your done for you funnels, and you're off, ready to go. So with the done for you funnels, opt-in page, webinar page, download page, you've got the social share. When you click on here, this where you get all your traffic, and it's literally everything done for you. So this is saving a ton of work. It's like cutting out the learning curve, you know, massively cutting out the learning curve. Because if you were to decide, all right, I fancy going into high ticket stuff, then there's a lot that you've got to do to get to that point. And bearing in mind it's high ticket, it's got to look the business going through. You know, you've got to keep the confidence of the people that are landing on your pages from the start. So if you had to go up building your own pages and you weren't too experienced and they didn't look too great, then people are going to land on that and think, not so sure about this. It doesn't really look the part for me, and I'm not sure that I believe in it for this big high ticket program that's supposed to be, you know, at the end of it. So this is a great way to do that. Very, very simple, all done for you, all ready to go. You're literally just putting in your affiliate link and using their done for you funnels ready to kick off. So you've got your squeeze page, you've got your webinar page, you've got your webinar page with the ability to say when the button comes up that they can click on to buy. You know, it's all there for you, which I think is great, because at the end of the day, you only need like one sale to pay for this and all the upgrades, if you got all the upgrades, you know. So that's why it's exciting for me. Okay, so let's look at the OTOs. Now the OTOs there's quite a few in here. So see what you think. I'm going to run through these as quickly as I can. So we've got the unlimited version. Now this means create unlimited high ticket automated profit sites. So unlimited, no restrictions, access to a premium suite of templates, unlimited storage on the servers, create unlimited sites, over-the-shoulder step-by-step training, premium support, additional money-making features, no annual or monthly fees. That one I would say is definitely worth considering, because when you get into these new products like this, when you see them work and you can see the potential, the last thing you want is to be limited, all right? This is going to be a good upgrade for you so that there are no limits. You can create as many of these funnels as you want, send as much traffic through, get as many sales as you want with no restrictions whatsoever. The next is 100% done for you, right? So with this, you get access to done for you profit sites complete with high quality giveaway products and high ticket auto webinars ready to sell. Simply log in and add your affiliate link and profit and go. Everything's done for you. Hand-picked automated webinars and profit sites proven to give you sales for all types of affiliates. Create job-crushing income and guaranteed to work. No experience needed. 100x your income overnight. All the technical work has already been done by us. All you need to do is insert your affiliate link and get paid. So that's what I like about this. It really is like everything's done. All right, and all you do is put your affiliate link in. So this is like a big done for you upgrade that you can get. Then we've got the traffic and sales unlimited traffic, right? So this is 100% unlimited traffic at zero cost, allows you to plug straight into winning traffic. No working out how paid traffic works. Finally quit paying for expensive traffic. Enjoy the luxury of having traffic on tap. Training included on how to tap into the traffic stream, and that's only for the first 50 people. Then we've got 30k in 30 days. All right, so learn how we turbocharge to $1,000 a day, or $30 in 30 in 30 days. I think they mean 30,000. Yeah, 30k. Generate consistent profits for days, weeks, months, and years to come. Everything done for you. Finally leave your day job. Create job crushing income. No experience. 100x your income. Quit living a mediocre lifestyle, etc., etc. So that's 30k in 30 days. Quite like the look of that one. Then we've got the super affiliate version, and with the super affiliate version you've got the bonus page builder add-on software, so you can create stunning bonus pages with awesome ready to go bonus products that your people will love with a click of your mouse. Bonuses are the key to making big sales here, right? So I would say definitely take a look at this one. Stand out from the crowd and get results like super affiliates do without any of the hard work. Bonuses are the hardest thing for us when it comes to us putting our promotions together. So that's definitely one worth looking at. Then we've got the license rights, my all-time favorite. This means that you get 75% of the profit. So this is a 75% commission bump. Done for you products, you get your own rights to sell the high ticket hijackers your own, making you look very professional. Done for your email swipes, etc. Then we've got the Auto Profit Boost. Additional tools that will help you sell more products, will help you crush it with ease. Tools are proven to get more sales. Add your Facebook ads pixel to your funnel pages, add Facebook comments to your funnel pages, add countdown timers, exit pops, social proof pop-ups. They're really powerful. This upgrade takes big ticket commissions to the next level. I like the look of that one, I must say. Okay, so bonuses. What I'm going to do to tempt you guys, I'm going to give you my affiliate training bundle. It's got 8 videos by me that takes you literally by the hand to show you, if you're a complete newbie or if you've been doing this for a while but you're not getting consistent results, how you can make money online the way I do. Now, even through the lockdown, I'm still making good money, all right? And I'm so grateful that this is the business that I'm in. So I want to help you guys as much as possible, as you know. And that training there is going to definitely help you if you've never got started. Also, the new social cash key is yours. I'm also going to give you a $37 OTO from one of my own funnels, which is my email ninja training, which will show you how you can maximize those new leads that you're getting through the big ticket commissions program, and how you can get the most out of them using my secret tips and hacks. Then side cash, which is great for this time, this kind of situation we find ourselves in. Side cash is a brand new strategy that I'll show you how to tap into eBay to make money in a way you've never thought before. And it's so easy. You don't have to create products you don't have to go and buy stuff to sell. It's clever stuff. Tube Traffic Machine is yours. You're going to get viral news jack out. I'm also going to give you local video jackpot and local video jackpot OTO 1, OTO 2 and OTO 3. I'm going to give you Commission Impossible. I'm going to give you fast commissions. These are both training courses by me. All the video training is by me. Also, I'm going to give you Glenn's Affiliate Traffic Lab, full program there. I'm going to give you digital product power, so you can learn how to create your own digital products, and the bonus vault from Glenn, which has got a ton of stuff in it, plus all the vendor bonuses. Now, just to bear in mind, there is an early bird. You've got from 9 a.m. EST till 3 p.m. EST to get this at just $17. Then after that, it's going to go up to $19. On Friday, it goes up to $21. On Saturday, $22. Then $23 for day 4, 5 and 6, and then $24 for day 7, and then it's going to go up to $37. So the sooner you get in, the better price you're going to get on this. So that's it, guys. Go and grab it now. Your bonuses are all ready and waiting for you inside Warrior Plus. Make sure you grab this through my link to qualify for those bonuses. And in the meantime, I wish you all the very best. And look out for more of these. All right, look out for more vinegar uses, because there are 1,001 in here. So that really kind of means, if they're any good, that I could give you 1,001 reviews with a vinegar tip in each, if that's of any use. Anyway, let me know how you're doing. Please, if you're watching this on YouTube, give this a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and say hello in the comments below. Tell me what you think of this program. Tell me if you're going to go for it. Tell me what you think of my bonuses. Tell me what you think of the lockdown and everything else in the world. And tell me a joke. All right. Okay. You look after yourselves, guys. I really do hope you're okay. And if you need anything, just let me know. I'll speak to you soon. Take care. All the best. Trevor.